Adam here at the Digital Goja showroom, and if you're thinking about buying a Canon camera or lens, stay right here because Canon has an excellent promotion to keep all your gear protected. Accidents are bound to happen. Maybe your cat knocks your camera off the table, or you fall into the pool with your camera trying to get that group photo, or the groom spills his beer all over your gear. Whatever it is, Canon has you protected with the CarePAK Plus protection plan. It gives you the peace of mind for any of those life mishaps. And the best part, you get 13 months of accidental damage protection free with your purchase. In this video, we're gonna go over all the benefits of the Canon CarePAK Plus protection plan, which is free to those who purchase a qualifying Canon camera and lens from October 21st, 2018 to January 5th, 2019. There are currently 11 Canon camera bodies and 13 Canon lenses that are eligible for this promotion for the 13 months of free accidental protection. If you're looking for all the information on all the eligible products, make sure to check the link in the description box below. Once you purchase your camera or lens from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja, you have 30 days to register your product in order to activate the CarePAK Plus promotion. All you have to do is simply go online and go to usa.canon.com/registration. Okay, so let's go over what the Canon CarePAK Plus coverage includes. As I mentioned, you get coverage from any type of accident. You also get coverage for normal wear and tear on your camera or lens. And you get complete maintenance for your camera and lens, including sensor cleaning up to 2 times during the coverage period. In addition, you're not going to have to worry about dealing with a third party. You're getting service directly from Canon. That means you're going to get service from a certified Canon technician, as well as genuine Canon parts. If your product cannot be fixed, it will be replaced with the same exact model or something better. Now with this protection plan, there's no out-of-pocket fees. That means that there's 0 deductible. You also don't even have to pay for shipping the camera or lens to Canon. Canon has you covered on that as well. So if you're a professional photographer and you need your camera back really fast, Canon has you covered because priority service is something that's covered with the CarePAK Plus. This means that you're going to get fast turnaround times with any type of repair. Another benefit of the CarePAK Plus is the fact that it's transferable. So if you're looking to sell your camera, the service is transferable within the period of time. The holiday shopping season is rapidly approaching, and it's a great time to purchase that Canon camera and lens that you've always wanted. Now, did I mention that the EOS-R, the new full-frame mirrorless camera from Canon, is also an eligible item for the Canon CarePAK Plus program? So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button underneath if this video helped you out, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more unboxings, first looks, overviews, tutorials, and much, much more. Remember, if you're in the South Florida area, please stop by and say hello at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video, folks.